Hello, welcome to Lucky Coin channel. Today, let's talk about pros and cons of blockchain. For all of its complexity, blockchain's potential as a decentralized form of record keeping is almost without limit. From greater user privacy and heightened security to lower processing fees and fewer errors, tags. Blockchain technology may very well see applications beyond those outlined above. But there are also some disadvantages. First, let's talk about pros of blockchain. It improved accuracy by removing human involvement in verification. It also costs reductions by eliminating third-party verification, and decentralization makes it harder to tamper with. On blockchain, transactions are secure, private, and efficient based on transparent technology, providing a banking alternative and a way to secure personal information for citizens of countries with unstable or underdeveloped governments. Then let's see its cons. Significant technology cost associated with some blockchains. Also, the number of transactions per second is relatively low, and history of use is in illicit activities, such as on the dark web. More, regulation varies by jurisdiction and remains uncertain, and there are data storage limitations. But all in all, blockchain shows its unique benefits. Transactions on the blockchain network are approved by thousands of computers and devices. This removes almost all people from the verification process, resulting in less human error and an accurate record of information. Even if a computer on the network were to make a computational mistake, the error would only be made to one copy of the blockchain and not be accepted by the rest of the network. Typically, consumers pay a bank to verify a transaction or a notary to sign a document. Blockchain eliminates the need for third-party verification, and with it, their associated costs. For example, business owners incur a small fee when they accept credit card payments, because banks and payment processing companies have to process those transactions. Bitcoin, on the other hand, does not have a central authority and has limited transaction fees. Transactions placed through a central authority can take up to a few days to settle. If you attempt to deposit a check on Friday evening, for example, you may not actually see funds in your account until Monday morning. Financial institutions operate during business hours, usually 5 days a week, but a blockchain runs 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and 365 days a year. Many blockchain networks operate as public databases, meaning anyone with an internet connection can view a list of the network's transaction history. Although users can access transaction details, they cannot access identifying information about the users making those transactions. It is a common misperception that blockchain networks like Bitcoin are fully anonymous. They are actually pseudonymous because there is a viewable address that can be associated with a user if the information gets out. Perhaps the most profound facet of blockchain and cryptocurrency is the ability for anyone, regardless of ethnicity, gender, location, or cultural background, to use it. According to the World Bank, an estimated 1.4 billion adults do not have bank accounts or any means of storing their money or wealth. Moreover, nearly all of these individuals live in developing countries, where the economy is in its infancy and entirely dependent on cash. These people are often paid in physical cash. They then need to store this physical cash in hidden locations in their homes or other places, incentivizing robbers or violence. While not impossible to steal, crypto makes it more difficult for would-be thieves. Thank you for watching. If you enjoy our content, please remember to subscribe our channel.